What's going on, guys? This here is the tire changer that you guys need to have at home in your own garage. I am working on picking one of these up so I can show you how to do it by yourself in your own garage, saving you tons of money when it comes to tire changes. Look at this Rabaconda, perfect for dirt, perfect for adventure, perfect for you to take with you. This here is the Rabaconda tire machine in that nice little carry case. This is how it sets up, and this is going to allow you to be able to do tire changes at home in your garage. About 5 tire changes is going to pay for this thing. You take your tire and your wheel to the local shop, it's going to be about $100 to get that thing swapped on the cheap. But if you have this guy right here, retail cost is just over $500. 5 tire changes, it'll pay for itself, and then everything else after that, dude, it's money. What's going on, guys? Kyle Bradshaw here with the famous Jim from Web Bike World. What? You are famous.
Infamous.
Infamous. Got Tony here from Rabaconda. Now, you guys have 2 main machines, right? You got the dirt bike machine and the new street bike machine, which I saw for the first time last year at this show.
Yeah.
So you're going to show me how the street bike machine works?
Yeah, I'd love to, man.
So what's the key, Tony, when we're looking at doing tire changes by themselves at home in their own garages?
Yeah, so I think the first thing is to have good tools because it makes it so much easier. And what we have here is a Harley Davidson front tire which has 13,000 miles on it. So that's definitely by far the hardest tire I've ever changed in my more than 10 years being in this business. So
now, is there any difference between changing a Harley Davidson tire and saying that 1290 tire there on the picture?
Oh yeah, definitely. Those tires are super stiff, but the technique is the same for every street bike tire changer, for every street bike tire on this tire changer. So I'll walk you quickly through the process so you can get the idea how it works. All our tire changers are really compact and portable, so you can see there's a bag, it fits into the compact bag there. And we have a bead breaker with a quite long arm here, so it's easy to break even the toughest beads. Once you have broken the bead on both sides of the tire, of the rim, you take the duck head system, mount it on the rim. Always good to use some soapy water.
So what do you like to use as far as lubrication goes? Just soap and water is what you use?
Soap and water for dismounting is very good because it goes between the tire and the rim and the duck head everywhere where it's needed. Instead of bead grease, you would have to use a brush and you wouldn't get it everywhere where you need it.
Okay.
There's a pin for blocking the rotation of the rim, so
Okay.
the duck head would
Nice.
move around while the rim stays in place. Grab a tire iron, and all the parts on our street bike tire changer that go in contact with the rim or the tire are plastic, so there's not much risk in damaging your rim or the tire.
Nice. So see that, guys, is making sure that tire's in the drop center because that is the absolute key.
Yeah, that's true.
Here it comes.
This is a really stiff tire, so I need to use some force here.
Almost there. Ooh-wee.
Now the second bead.
So he's going down underneath this bead on the other side of the tire and popping it up over the duck head there on the other side.
And the ratchet system enables for the user to stand on the 2 feet, have a very ergonomic position, so you don't have to be on the floor on your knees and hassle the machine.
Yeah, that's rad.
Yeah. I've seen some tires in my life, but this one that's hard.
So now we're going to lube the tire back up for the reinstallation.
That's right.
So you're going to stick it over the duck head first on that side,
Yes.
and then you're going to wiggle the rim, or
And
the
the-
tire bead over the rim.
Yeah, and the first bead goes on really easy.
Again, that pop right there into the drop center on the opposite side, absolutely key. Dude, look at that. We've been doing this for 5 minutes and 7 seconds, and that's how long it should take you to do a tire change in your own garage if you have a Rabaconda. Dude, and you just saved somebody about 120 bucks at a dealership, probably about 75 bucks at a local independent.
Yeah.
That's pretty rad.
And the Super tire changer, it works for all kind of motorcycles, adventure bikes, sport bikes, Harley Davidsons, V-Rods, tourers, cruisers. Regardless if it's tubeless or with an inner tube, it works for all.
Sweet. Well, thank you, sir, for the demonstration there. Really appreciate it.
My pleasure.
There you go, guys. Rabaconda. And you guys sell direct, correct?
That's right, from Rabaconda.com. And we have a fulfillment centers in Utah and Tennessee, so the orders will be delivered in a couple of days.
There we go. Rabaconda, guys. Go get one today.